Today's trade of the day is NIO. In the EV space, it was an absolutely beautiful move to the upside. You're seeing it's up 7.8%. You know, not to say we predicted it, but right here on our sticky note, the very top note, you can't see it now, follow on Twitter. NIO looks long through 40.25. The long looks fantastic. Get out of here, sticky note. Let's talk about the trade right now as we're going. Here's the pre-market top. This is why we liked it, guys. Bouncing up. They had deliveries 95% greater year over year on their deliveries, okay? So we were looking at a strong top here, a nice little base between, let's say, 39.75 to 40.25. We love that early morning break. However, we missed a break. It's too chaotic. There's so much stuff happening. It actually opens 1 or 2 minutes after 9:30, so we do miss that 40.25 break. So what do we have to wait for? We were very, very patient, probably too patient. We missed a couple opportunities. We just wait for it to baseline. And I put a line here, it's basically 40.90. It doesn't really matter, 40.80. This line gave us a couple dips. It was part of the first break right there. So that's important, right? Straight up, stop. So stop 40.80, right? That's what we're looking for, a stop and go, okay? It pulls back into these levels. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So many times you can't even count it. We didn't notice it until later. Okay, unfortunately, the first time we notice it, it just starts to come against us, and we start to average in. I only average in 3 times maximum per trade, okay? It happens here, 1, 2, 3. Then we use 40.40 as our out, and we get stopped out. We take a couple little bit of profit in there, a little bit of profit, but then it comes back down, we get smashed out, okay? All of a sudden, we're like, wait a second, that didn't continue down. Maybe we did pick the right level, just got out a little too early. So we smashed along again, okay? This is very, very important. Now, why did we like long so much? A, up. Good delivery numbers, so that's 2 things. And then if you look over here, maybe I'll switch over to this side. As you're gonna see right now, look at the daily chart. Look how strong NIO's been in the EV space, right? Up, up, up. It's been 1, 2, 3. Let's call it 2 weeks of basically straight up and only a few little small red candles as opposed to these monster green candles. So to me, hey, that's multiple thumbs up and we're ready to rock and roll on NIO. Not only that, it's above the 50-period moving average. So NIO was beat down just as much as it got beat down. I'm expecting and we're getting a complete V-shaped recovery. So we know we want to be long NIO. The key thing is to pick your spots. That sticky note had it all, man. We wanted to go long off the open and we knew the levels. However, we got a little scared. Often NIO will dip down and then move up. If you watch the show, that's something that happens quite often. Today, we're waiting for that exact play. It just doesn't happen. When we notice we missed this 40.25, we just start bidding in here, but it never pulls back. It just takes off. It even goes against the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ turning red in this area. NIO still to the upside. So we're 100% right today with these longs. Unfortunately, though, we get stopped out. Why is this the trade of the day if it's not going to be our biggest winner? It's not our biggest winner. I just want to show you that, hey, look, with proper research, proper levels, you can hit these monster winners. However, you still need to be disciplined enough to say, you know what, if this pulls back to a certain level, we're going to get out. I thought this retracement was too deep, and I thought we were coming back in. Remember what I said, the NASDAQ screaming to the low side? But as soon as this started to go right back up and we realized, uh-oh, we may have just got stop hunted or taken out. That's fine, we get taken out all the time. It's important to get back in, and that's sort of the lesson to be learned on today's trade of the day, is trust in what you're seeing, and therefore when you take an average in here about 20 or 30 cent hit, look how much more on the upside you can make straight back, into the point where we went a little short there, it got out, and then we're like, no, we don't want to be short, and now this name rips to the high side. This is NIO, up another 8%, and that's your trade of the day. Join us live every single day, 8:30, then again at 3:15 at TraderTV.Live, where we go over tons of live trades.